Hi my peeps, what's up, wagwan? Welcome back to your girl Tiana in the house. So yes guys, I have a new recipe I'm gonna try. When I was in Jamaica, my Rastaman try, we put oats, plantain, a little bit of cornmeal, like just a tablespoon or two. But now we're actually gonna make some plantain cornmeal porridge. So green plantain cornmeal porridge with some coconut milk, alright? My husband already put cinnamon, nutmeg, even the cinnamon powder, guys, in fully a cinnamon. I don't know why. Right, Vessa? Because you already put the cinnamon leaves and you put cinnamon itself and nutmeg. So I guess it's kind of full of flavor. Alright, guys, full of flavor. And a little bit of salt. Even pimento. Can you see that, guys? Pimento again. Vessa? Oh God. Lord of mercy. Pimento. 5? No, 5 green, no, in that. So anyhow guys, we're gonna put a little bit of pop milk. You can use the regular one. I'm not gonna put much. I'm gonna put like 2 tablespoons. All right. While this is getting some heat under it, my husband already cut up 1 plantain. All right guys, so we're gonna blend the plantain, 1 green plantain. All right guys, if you have a big blender, you can blend both cornmeal and plantain together. Just gonna mix everything together. All right, so we're gonna pour that in there. I'm gonna put a little bit more water, and then I'm gonna add a little bit more water, right? Because cornmeal are gonna be swell up the thing. So we're gonna put 1, 2. That look like 3 because a huge spoon this here. So put about half cup. For 1 plantain. All right, guys, mix it out nicely. You don't want no lump in there. Add more water, guys, as you go along. Make sure no lumps, because once you hit the water, make sure no lump no in there. All right, come over here, and we're gonna pour it in here. And you're gonna constantly stir. All right, I'm just gonna rinse out this one. Pour a little water, and just shake that out. Alright, so guys, it's the first time I'm actually making like a complete cornmeal plantain porridge. Alright, so I'll tell you how it tastes. It should taste amazing. It smells good. Smell more of like the plantain. My husband was helping me stir it. He leave it down. So anyhow, just constantly stir it, guys, until it comes to a boil or get thick up, basically. If you see some little brown part here are the coconut milk mixed with the cinnamon and the nutmeg. Alright. Oh, you don't put no vanilla in there. Not yet. Guys, when it a flap, so it's too thick, so I'm gonna put like half cup more water to it and mix it up. Just make it to how you like it. If you like it really thick, guys, then add less water. If you like it thin, add more water, more liquid. How long I'm gonna boil it for? I'm gonna boil this for about half an hour. Because it's cornmeal, you don't want it to hurt your belly. So half an hour to 45 minutes. Just take time, make it simmer. Turn on the stove and leave it. I have some creamy malt Lasco. It's the creamy malt flavor, and I have about half a cup of water. I'm gonna put a little in there. If you want, you can just put this alone, and then woo, look guys, It a flop. Oh, it smells good though, guys. Ooh. Alright, guys. Let's just dissolve this out. Alright, guys. Once you mix this out, then we're gonna pour it over here. And now we're gonna mix. You can just put Lasco alone in there, guys. You don't have to put no other milk. So the Lasco and the coconut milk will do. I don't think I have to put no condensed milk, right? Just the Lasco and the coconut milk. The little brown stuff is the coconut milk mixed with the cinnamon, because my husband put lots of cinnamon powder, although he put the cinnamon leaves. I'm using the refined cornmeal. It says iron fortified. All right, so, and my husband brought it from Jamaica. All right, we're gonna put some vanilla, about a tablespoon, and he put nutmeg already. Nutmeg, I'm gonna put a little bit more. I like to put mine after too, so give it more flavor. In between or near when you finish, I put it, or you can put it anytime, anyhow you want it. Oh, smells so good. And look, the guys, anytime you see pimenta in my thing, you know, say my husband start it off. It's thicker. Alright, guys, we're gonna let this boil down. This is my mix essence. I got it from the Caribbean basket. I'm gonna put a little bit. I'm gonna put a tot. It comes like that, so that means you mustn't put too much. Alright. Oh, it smells so good. So guys, this mix essence, it has maybe almond, vanilla, rose water, all them spice and flavor there. Alright. It's good for cakes, any dessert, porridge, juices, and all of that. It smells so good. Alright, guys, let this simmer down. It's the Jamaican strong back cornmeal. Plantain porridge, original. You can cover it, yes or not, it's up to you, but I'm gonna cover it a little bit and let it take time to cook. Alright, I'll come back when I'm gonna sweeten it with some brown sugar. Alright, guys, we're back. Looking good and nice. My husband saying I want it too watery, so this is right. Alright, another 5 minutes. I'm gonna put some brown sugar and we're ready to serve it up. Can turn down the stove a little bit. Put it at 5. We're just gonna sweeten this bad boy now. I'm gonna use a little bit of brown sugar. Well, a brown sugar, guys, with a white sugar, but a brown sugar. Alright, let's sweeten that down. You can add some condensed milk, but we're not going to go that way. Today we just drink it natural, alright, with the brown sugar. And if you want a little bit more salt, you tip a little bit more salt in there. You need to keep some salt in there. Alright, guys, I'm just going to taste it. Good. Alright, guys, we're just going to share with some. I'm not going to put any more sugar in there. I'm going to put a little bit of salt. Alright. What Jamaican people do, you share it out like this in a bowl. Tell me when. That's good. A bit more.
Okay.
So my peeps, this is for my husband. What I like to do, like, him love milk, but I'm not gonna put too much. So when you're gonna serve it, because you're gonna make it vegan, vegetarian, but if somebody in the household really love condensed milk, you just tip a little bit on the top and then they will mix it in. So you're not gonna make the porridge too, this was in the fridge guys, hard to come out. You're not gonna make it too sweet at first, alright? That will do. Alright, that will do. Alright. A little bit of cinnamon on top. And that's what I'm gonna serve up with a slice of bread. And we have the Jamaican bread, national. And after, he's just gonna break it up in the, if he wants, it's up to you. Or you can put some butter on it. This one is the whole wheat. This is the final result. This is my Jamaican plantain, green plantain, cornmeal porridge. First I'm making it, and I'm gonna taste it for you guys with some bread, Jamaican bread. This is a whole wheat bread, a national, alright? And my husband likes milk, so I put a little bit on top, alright guys? And this is it. He can just mix it up and drink it. Alright? He said he's gonna let his cool, but guys, so this is in the plate, guys. It can't come out. So I'm gonna drink mine so it can go down in my structure. Anybody know what they're talking there, guys? Yes. And the plantain gonna build my immune system. Lots of iron, lots of potassium, get a little bit of protein, a little bit of carbs, a little bit of everything. It's an all-round that thing. Good for your immune system. Alright guys? It's gonna clean you out. Build you up, build up the body. It's a Jamaican strong back. Green plantain, green plantain cornmeal porridge. Alright guys, this is it. Love upon me and I love upon you. I'm gonna come back and taste it. Put one cushion in my lap so it don't burn me up. Break up some bread in it. Alright. Thank the Lord and bless the hand for this good food. I'm gonna make it sweet, guys. Delicious. Bye guys.